Hey guys, welcome on my peeps. Alan here with another edition of White Boys Fragrance Corner. And today it's all about a 2020 release from the house of Lacoste called Match Point. So stay tuned. First impressions coming up next. Alright guys, welcome back. So here we go. Now Lacoste Match Point is a 2020 release. This is considered to be a woody aromatic fragrance. Now in the top you have notes such as basil, pink pepper and grapefruit. In the mid now you have notes such as gitania, you have some geranium, and you have some Clary Sage as well. Now for the base notes, it's basically simple. Some vetiver and cashmeran. So I guess the cashmeran, that's where the woody aromatic feel comes from, my guess. So here's the presentation. It looks small, but this is actually a 100 ml. Yeah, it's pretty standard. It's nothing special, nothing with a wow factor. So let me just pull it out of the cellophane wrapping. So here you go, Lacoste Match Point. Now it gives you this type of golf ball type of feel right here. Right now down here you have the batch code, ingredients, and yeah, this is a 100 ml oil the toilet concentration. So let's see what this is all about. Oops, green juice. Alright, so this is what the bottle looks like. You know, it's a standard looking bottle. It looks small for 100 ml, but I don't mind that. Sometimes I don't like the big old chunky 100 ml bottle, so I do kind of like this. This is, yeah, it says Match Point by Lacoste. Okay, all right, so you can lift this up with the bottle cork, which is always good, which is always a plus when you can lift bottles by their bottle cork. Hey, it's plastic. So let's give this a few sprays and see what this smells like. Now do remember, this is just a first impressions video. So before I cast my full judgment down on this, I'll give it a free treatment and give it some wear before. You know, the usual thing, right? So let's see what the atomizer is like. The atomizer is pretty good, powerful. So let's not bad. I get the basil and the sage off top, right? Off of the top. Very green, herbal. Interesting scent. It comes out. It comes across a bit herbal, and I think that's the basil and the Clary Sage. And it has some sweet element to it. I can't make out exactly what it is. This doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell bad, peeps. It actually smells interesting. And the thing with Lacoste fragrances in general is they make some good fragrances. I know L'Homme is one that people tend to like because it has I think a rhubarb note in it, if I'm not mistaken. But this, yeah, that's the base coming through. This isn't a bad fragrance. It's green, It's fresh. It has some oomph in it. I think that's the pink pepper that's pushing through. And I'm definitely excited to give this one some wear. This is not bad. For me though, this is more like a spring or early fall, quick evening out. But then again, that's just my humble opinion. Of course, you're free to wear your fragrances whenever you want to wear them. But this is just my take on it. Alright? Yeah, I definitely need to get some wearing and get some reactions. Need to get some reactions as well. Yep, definitely the herbal notes coming through. It's not a bad release, especially for the price. Lacoste fragrances, they are actually pretty affordable, and some of them are, some of them are really good. So if you are that type of person that likes a herbal green scent, then Match Point would be up your alley. Match Point by Lacoste, yeah, not bad. But as I said before, I'll put this through some tests. I'll be wearing this, get the feedback from other people, see what the longevity is like, what the performance is like, because those are things that are very important when buying a fragrance. I mean, it doesn't make sense to buy a fragrance and after an hour you don't smell anything. That doesn't make sense. So yeah, definitely you can look out for that video coming soon. You can head over to Instagram as well. Follow me on my Instagram page at whiteboys_fragrance_corner. You can head over to Facebook as well, White Boys Fragrance Corner. And as I mentioned before, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a video. Feel free to make suggestions in the comments, whatever fragrance you would like me to review for you guys. Let's communicate. There's nothing wrong with that, all right? And as usual, you know how my saying goes: looking great, smelling greater. Man fi smell good, right? Can't look good and smell bad. That don't work, right? So basically you gotta smell just like how you look. Zin? So all my peeps out there, I'm wishing you a blessed weekend. Stay safe in this pandemic, and I'll talk to you soon, all right? White boy, peace out.